Introduced in 2020, the YZ125X was conceived to bolster Yamaha's cross-country lineup while offering passionate two-stroke enthusiasts a dedicated enduro racer. In the first major update for the model, the 2023 YZ125X reflects many of the extensive changes recently rolled out for the current competition-ready YZ125 motocross model, but also incorporates a number of additional key modifications aimed specifically at boosting capability for rigorous long-distance, multi-terrain cross-country racing. The result is a powerful, featherweight, class-leading two-stroke woods racer that represents both the ideal step-up for young enthusiasts looking to enter into cross-country competition or for seasoned riders, a capable and lightweight two-stroke. It all starts with a more powerful liquid-cooled 125cc two-stroke engine. Every functional part of the engine is new, including the cylinder head, piston pin, connecting rod, crankcase, and expansion chamber. To enhance the YZ125X's performance in varied terrain and over long race distances, features such as Yamaha Power Valve System, YPVS, characteristics, exhaust timing, and compression ratio have been optimized to improve ease of use in the low to mid RPM range. A new Hitachi Estimo Key and PWK38S carburetor with throttle position sensor and 3D map-controlled CDI unit further enhances fueling and power delivery. A new intake design with V-Force 4 carbon reed valve and a straighter intake path is said to result in an improved feeling of power in the high RPM range. To match increased engine performance, an updated braking system features larger front pistons, more rigid caliper, and a redesigned 270mm front rotor with a 30% increase in pad contact area. A redesigned rear rotor maintains the same braking power while dropping outer diameter from 245mm to 240mm, reducing unsprung weight. Front and rear suspension damping has been revised to further improve bump absorption and cornering performance. Best-in-class KYB suspension includes a fully adjustable speed-sensitive system 48mm inverted front fork, now with new internals for more precise damping. The revised fully adjustable KYB rear shock features reduced friction Kashima Code internals, separate adjusters for high and low speed compression damping, and a full lock oil rebound system. Additionally, front and rear settings are fine-tuned to handle the types of demanding and varied environments commonly encountered in cross-country competition. A new flatter seat and more narrow fuel tank design, along with integrated body panels and slimmer radiator shroud width all combine to enhance freedom of movement forward and back, allowing the rider to easily shift body weight for increased control. Emphasizing its YZ racing pedigree, new front and rear fender design, bold Yamaha blue and dark blue colorway, and premium embedded graphics provide a sharp, aggressive new look with excellent durability and scratch resistance. The 2023 Yamaha YZ125X will be available from dealers this September in Team Yamaha Blue starting at $7,099.